In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Exness password. If you want to keep your account secure, updating your password from time to time is a smart habit. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go inside your Exness personal area and how to complete the password change smoothly. To begin, go to your Exness personal area. This is the main dashboard where you manage your account settings and security options. Once you're signed in, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward. Next, look for the settings option and click on it. This is where Exness keeps the main account preferences and configuration tools. If you're not sure where to find password-related options, settings is the right place to start. After that, click on security. This section is especially important because it contains the features related to protecting your account, including login credentials and verification settings. Whenever you need to update sensitive information like a password, this is usually where you'll go. Once you're in the security area, go to Login Details. This section contains the information connected to how you sign into your account. Make sure you're selecting the correct login-related option so you don't end up in a different security setting by mistake. Now find the password option and click Change next to it. This will open the form where you can update your current password. At this stage, it's a good idea to choose a password that is strong and difficult to guess. Try to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters if the platform allows it. Also, avoid reusing passwords you've used on other websites. You'll now be asked to enter your new password and then repeat it in the confirmation field. Be careful while typing so both entries match exactly. If they don't match, the system won't let you continue. Taking an extra second here can save you from having to re-enter everything. Finally, click Confirm. Once you do that, your new password should be saved and your account will now use the updated login credentials. After changing it, it's a good idea to remember it securely using a trusted password manager rather than writing it somewhere unsafe. And that's it. That's how to change your Exness password. Keeping your login details updated is a simple but important step in protecting your account and maintaining your account security.